Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can uninstall or install an app on your LG smart television. So it's very easy to do. The first thing we need to do is just head over to your television's remote, and we're going to press this home button here to bring up the LG home menu. Now down in the bottom you'll see a list of all of the applications that are currently installed on your television. So to go ahead and remove one of these applications, all you need to do is scroll across the list and select the application that we want to remove. So let's say, for example, I wanted to remove this channel 4 application here. All we would do is make sure that this is currently selected, and then we're going to hold down on the OK button on your TV remote. Now this OK button is usually located in the middle of these directional arrows, so you're just going to go ahead and hold that down, and that's now going to pop up with this edit app screen. So from here you can see the trash icon that's now appeared over that app. So I'm just going to use the up arrow to come over to this bin icon, and then once again I'm going to select OK, and that's going to ask now if we're sure to delete or uninstall this channel 4 application. So I'm going to go ahead and press yes, and that's how you completely uninstall an application from your LG TV. Now to go and reinstall the application or to install a new application to your TV, all you need to do is come back down to this menu at the bottom with all of our apps, and we're going to scroll across and come over to this apps section. Now this may look slightly different depending on your model of television, but once you've headed over to the App Store, then from the top here we're just going to come over to the search bar, and all you simply need to do is type in the application that you'd like to install. So let's say I wanted to reinstall this channel 4 application. I'm just going to go ahead and type that in here, and then from the right hand side we can come over to search and give that a second to search, and you can see right at the top here next to apps we have the channel 4 application. So to go ahead and reinstall that, all we need to do is press OK on our remote to select it, and then from here you'll just need to go through the steps to install this onto your television. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you uninstall and install applications on your LG smart TV. If you did find this video useful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.